A square patchwork quilt is made by joining 4 square pieces of cloth like this, each piece coloured grey and white, only edges of the same colour are sewn together. How many different quilts can we make? They're considered to be the same if one can be rotated to look like the other. So I'm just going to start off with the top left and put it in like so. Okay, then actually as I go along, I'll consider different scenarios. I could have it like that, or I could turn it like this. Okay, but let's focus on the first one on the left. So I've got two options for top right now. I could either have it coming down like this, or I could have it coming up like that. And then I've got two options for bottom left. So if I go back to the top left diagram, then I could either have it come in like this, or go that way. And then for the second diagram, I could either have it coming down like that, or in like that. So I've just systematically, for that given first one, drawn the 4 that are possible. And then my fourth square has to be, I've only got one choice for each of them. I'd have to go with this. Oh, sorry. Then this one over here, that's got to be white. So it would be like that. And then like that. Okay. Now the second and third one are exactly the same. So I'll just cross that one out, but have managed to find 3. Now, if I flip it round, I'm going to get the same kind of setup, but just all reversed actually. So I can draw this in really quickly. That would be different. And then I could get the arrow, but just everything else flipped around. It would be like that. I don't need to draw that third one because I know it's the same. And for this one, I can shade in this and then this. So actually that, although I've flipped it around, that's ended up being the same, I've just realized. So I'm up to 5, but that one is repeated under rotation. So the question is, can I find any more from these remaining few? Okay, let's give it a go. Think about it. So you could either sort of just go through systematically again. I think that's probably the safest bet, or try and think of one that we've not yet achieved. To be honest, I think I'm going to go with safety. So it could go up or it could go down. And then remember, for each of those, there were 2 options. It could either go like that, or like that. That, or like that. And then my fourth one's decided for me. Okay, I managed to get another one. Yeah, this one is actually different. So I'm up to 6. But the others that I created, again, I've already got them through rotation. And remember, this one is just going to be the same kind of thing, but they're just all going to be like the opposite way around. So I can draw them in, but I think I can see the answer already. So I could do that because this is not a new one now, because it's just a rotation. I'm going to get another arrow here if I swap that one round. This one to here, swap the colors round, and here as well. So I'm not even going to draw them in. I'm not going to get any more. But that one I did need to consider. And overall, the answer is going to be 6. I don't think there's a really quick way to do it. I think the best thing to do is just be careful, work for it systematically, make sure you don't miss any, and you'll get to your answer. Well done.